Python getting started. Let us check Python installation. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have Python installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Python or run the following on the command line cmd. Let us check. You can use cmd or PowerShell. I am using PowerShell here. Just type Python. Okay, yes, it's installed successfully. It's showing the new version Python 3.10.2. Okay. If you find that you do not have Python installed on your computer, then you can download it for free from the following website. Just here I am giving the website link. Just type it in, browse it, Google it. From that you can download it. Check if pip installed or not. If you do, you are ready to use pip to install any Python module you like by typing the following into a command prompt. Replace name of module with the name of your module. You can know more about pip package installer for Python in video part 31. Let us check if pip installed or not. Before checking, first you should exit this. Now type pip. It takes some time to check. Yes, if you get this code, that means pip also installed successfully. If not, you should reinstall Python new version. With that, automatically pip also will get installed in your system. To write Python, should have some softwares like Visual Code, like that. I am using here Visual Studio Code. To install Visual Studio Code, you can get complete tutorial description following the link given below, and can download Visual Studio Code from the link given below. Okay. To run Python smoothly, should have the softwares mentioned here. First, you should have install Python new version. Install Visual Studio Code. Already I installed Visual Studio Code. See here, this is Visual Studio Code terminal. It looks like this. Okay. And also in Visual Studio Code you should install Code Runner. Okay. You should have Code Runner, PowerShell, Pylance, Python. These four program runner should install in Visual Studio Code to run Python smoothly. See, from this link you can install Visual Studio Code. Python Quickstart. Python is an interpreted programming language. This means that as a developer you write Python.py file in a text editor and then put those files into the Python interpreter to be executed. The way to run a Python file is like this on the command line. You can type anywhere. Also you can also take notepad, where helloworld.py is the name of your Python file. Let's write our first Python file called helloworld.py. Let's create helloworld.py. File, new file. Just create helloworld.py. Print hello world. Now let us save this to Ctrl S. Hello world.py file. Okay, save. Okay, already it changed to Python file. Okay, see here the color changed. Okay, now we have created Python file. Now we will execute that code. Okay, after writing that, save it, and just this is the run code button. Click this. here the result terminal, output terminal. Okay, here you will get the output. This is the files terminal, this is the code typing terminal, this is output terminal, this is result. Okay, like this you should practice entire Python. Okay, you can understand. Next video I will give you only code and example. Everything you should practice in this Visual Studio Code, or you can practice in PyCharm or in Eclipse. Okay, like that the code will be executed. The Python command line. To test a short amount of code in Python, sometimes it is quickest and easiest not to write the code in a file. This is made possible because Python can be run as a command line itself. Type the following on the Windows, Mac or Linux command line. Like that. See here, in command line you should just type like this. Or if the Python command did not work, you can try py. From there you can write any Python, including our hello world example from earlier in the tutorial. Already we have opened this. You can also write in command line like this. First I will check here. PowerShell, I opened PowerShell or CMD. First type Python, enter. Now Python print hello world. Just click enter. See here the answer returned. Okay, you can exit from here. Exit command, parenthesis. Now Python exited. Whenever you are done in Python command line, you can simply type the following to quit the Python command line interface. Okay friends, this is the end of part 2. In next video, let us learn about another topic, syntax. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. If possible, share our videos by different social media and support our cause to reach 1 crore people and make our project great success. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.